Hey guys, welcome to our channel Code Chef, and this is Harish Dalal. So the problem today we will be solving is from heaven to earth. The problem code for which is ELEVTRS. It is a cakewalk problem. The prerequisites are equation of uniform motion. So before we get actually started, here is a reminder to hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet already. And let's get to the problem definition. So here is the problem definition. Chef is at the nth floor of a restaurant and he wants to go down at the ground floor. So the height of the restaurant is n and chef is at the nth floor and he wants to go down at the ground floor. So there are two ways to go down, via stairs and another one is through elevator. So the stairs are at 45-degree angle from the nth floor, and the speed of walking on stairs is v1 meter per second, and the elevator is initially at the ground floor as stated here. And if the chef wants to go down via elevator, he first have to call the elevator at the nth floor and then he can go down with that, like this. So the distance travel by elevator will be 2 times n and the distance travel on stairs will be root 2 times n. So we have to tell the chef which way is the fastest way to go at the ground floor, and the speed of the elevator is v2 meter per second. So we have to check which way is the faster way to go at the ground floor, and according to that we have to output either elevator if that is the fastest way, or stairs if that is the fastest way to go at the ground floor. So let's take an example. So we will be given three inputs, n, v1 and v2. v1 is the velocity for walking down the stairs, v2 is the velocity for elevator, and n is the height for the restaurant. So according to a sample test case, n is 5, v1 is 10 and v2 is 15. So let's calculate for this test case what will be the answer. So first of all we have to find the time that will be required to go down by stairs. So the equation for time is distance upon velocity, and the distance for the case of stairs is root 2 times 5. The velocity for the stairs is 10. So this is TS, which is time for stairs, and the time for elevator is also d by v, which is, and the distance in this case is 2 times n, which is 2 times 5 divided by velocity for elevator, it is 15. So TE will be 10 divided by 15. So calculating this we get 0.707 and TE we get 0.666. Clearly time for elevator is less than time for stairs, so in this case we will output elevator. So therefore the time complexity will be O of 1 for each test case, because we are just calculating the time for stairs and time for elevator and just comparing, and which one will be the smaller we will output accordingly. So let's get to the code. Before that you can try the problem on your own and submit it on CodeChef and come back later to check the solution. Let's get on to the code now. So let's get to the code. I am choosing C++ as the language. You can choose whatever language you want, like Java, Python or C++. So first of all, taking the T test cases, running loop for each test case. For each test case we will be getting 3 inputs, and I will be taking that in double, as the distance afterwards we will be calculating is in double format. Now calculating the distance that we need to travel through stairs, which will be root 2 times n. For using the square root function, make sure to include either the bits std C++ library, or if you are using IOStream library, you can use math library as well with that. Now calculating the distance for elevators, which is 2 times n. Now the time required through stairs will be distance of stairs divided by velocity for stairs. Time for stairs will be distance of stairs divided by v1, which is velocity through stairs, and time for elevator will be distance of elevator and the velocity of elevator. Now just comparing both. Now in this case, the time taken through stairs is greater than the time taken through elevator, so we will be output the elevator. Make sure to check the spelling. And else we will be outputting stairs. You can copy the value of spelling of elevator and stairs, don't make mistake here. The case is that they both cannot be same, because the distance for stairs is always irrational and the distance for elevator is always rational, so they can never be same, the time can never be same, either of them will be greater. So now I will submit the code. So let's submit the code on CodeChef. Make sure to test before submitting. So yeah, we got a correct answer. So that's it from my side. If you are interested in competitive programming and want to learn and master data structures and algorithms, this is a one-stop solution for you. And hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. You can also stay updated via our Telegram group. The link is given in the description. I will see you in the next one.